Welcome back to Crypto Coin News. Today we are going to be talking about the overall status of the cryptocurrency market as it is below $650 billion in total market cap and only doing $50 billion in 24-hour trade volume. A lot of people are speculating that this is coming from rumors that South Korea is potentially trying to pass a bill to ban cryptocurrency trading. And if that happens, a lot of money will be moved out of this marketplace and we will see massive dips as we would lose one of the biggest economies in cryptocurrency. But before we get into this video today, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a Crypto Coin News video. Here on this channel, we do 3 to 5 cryptocurrency videos a day. So if you're a cryptocurrency investor or you're interested in the cryptocurrency space, subscribing is definitely not a bad idea. And let's start a conversation down below in the comment section. What do you think is going on with the market? Do you think South Korea potentially being banned is going to hurt it further? And when do you think you're going to see the market pull out of this? I'd love to hear your guys' opinion. And what coins are you going to hold through this market crash, or dip, I should say? Let's not call it a crash just yet. If it's sitting at 400 billion, I'd be willing to call it a crash. But here at 646 billion, I'm pretty comfortable just calling this a slight dip and correction. So let's get into the marketplace. As you can see, everything is down. Let's go to the last 24 hours. We only have 5 coins out of the top 100 in the green, and one of them is barely hanging on. So we have KuCoin shares at 0.82% positive, then we have 5%, 6%, and then 2 coins that kind of performed somewhat well today, but they're definitely on the downtrend with everything else. So US dollar tethers even kind of sitting below $1. So everything is subject to crashing right now, and we are in a sea of red. Actually, let's correct that. We're in a bloodbath right now in the marketplace, and it is important that everyone remembers to hold your positions and never take a loss in this market. But let's go over something that could be affecting the whole market in general. We saw what happened when CoinMarketCap decided to exclude Korean sales and Korean price point into the overall price point in the market. It caused a huge crash that took us from about $850 billion to $650 billion just a day ago. So let's go over the news from South Korea. So from CNBC, Bitcoin falls 12%. It actually fell a little bit more than that as one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency markets readies a bill to ban trading. South Korea's justice minister said that the country is preparing a bill that will ban all cryptocurrency trading. Okay, so this is huge news. They've actually been raiding certain exchanges that are based out of South Korea, doing tax raids. So right here, authorities raid South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Police and tax agencies raided South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange this week for alleged tax evasion. South Korean financial authorities had previously said they are inspecting 6 local banks that offer virtual currency accounts. The crackdown comes as the South Korean government attempts to calm frenzied demand for cryptocurrency trading. Now, something that the South Koreans believe a lot in is that this is highly linked to gambling. So Bithumb, the second largest virtual currency operator in South Korea, was also raided by the tax authorities on Wednesday. And then this is what they stated. We were asked by the tax officials to disclose paperwork and things yesterday. An official at Bithumb said, requesting anonymity. That's a tough word to say. Basically, requesting to be anonymous due to the sensitivity of the issue. So now one thing they're trying to do is calm the financial frenzy that this is causing. They're saying anyone from a housewife to a child is investing in cryptocurrency, and they look at it as a form of gambling, as the market's never usually stable. So Bitcoin's 1,500% surge last year has stoked huge demand for cryptocurrency in South Korea, drawing college students to housewives and sparking concerns about a gambling addiction. So South Korea is treating this as a gambling issue, and that's why they're cracking down on it so hard. Now over here, this is the article that talks about the justice minister trying to propose a ban on cryptocurrency trading. According to the industry website CryptoCompare, more than 10% of Ethereum is traded against the South Korean won, the second largest concentration in terms of fiat currencies behind the dollar. So they're the second largest trading country behind the United States. That is huge. Bitcoin tumbled more than 12% following Park's remarks. According to CoinDesk, Bitcoin price index that tracks prices from 4 exchanges at 12:35, the cryptocurrency trade for $13,042 per token. And right now, guys, we are actually seeing, let's go to total market cap, it trading for $13,200, so it's slightly come back, But this is not looking good for the market, and this is really going to hurt it. When Bitcoin hurts, it's the mama bear, and it's down about $30 billion in market cap from this morning. So we're going to see a lot of these currencies get hurt today, guys. A lot of this change in percent, some of the biggest losers. Metablock was one of the biggest gainers yesterday. Dent is the second biggest loser of the day. And then two great currencies in Substratum and Wax are down from 3 to 350 highs, all the way down below $2. And Dentacoin's down deep. Brain Chain's one of the biggest losers, and Neblio. Neblio is also one of the biggest losers today, but these are also some of the coins that have climbed the highest. So this is, I would say, just decent market correction plus a bit of sell frenzy from this dip. So since these are the biggest gainers, they're going to be the biggest losers here in this giant sell-off. So we have other coins down here that are relatively unrecognizable. There's some like QuantStamp and everything, but let's view the whole market. What coins are rising during this big dip? Well, if you can guess it, it's penny coins. Coins that are trading for virtually nothing in the last 24 hours are up. Vibes, one of the rare examples. This and Russia coin are one of the rare examples in coins that are over $1 rising. But look at this, 22 cents, 8 cents, 20, 39, 2 cents, $1.05, 13 cents, 20, or 2 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents. So all of these small coins are seeing over 100% gains in the last 24 hours. As I think people are just trying to turn quick profits on a lot of these tiny sleeper coins that are virtually worthless and don't need a lot of 24-hour volume to really see big changes. Now, some of these coins that are up here in the biggest change of the day, like Russia coin and Vibe coin, are now seeing losses in the last hour. eGold is seeing 210% increases in the last hour, so this coin's probably a big pump and dump. But no big currencies are really standing out that are above the cream of the crop and not, subject to some massive corrections and subject to this dip. Now we are at 652 billion, so I'm hoping that this number over the next 72 hours, like I said yesterday, we're going to see a rise and slowly stabilize. But if South Korea does somehow pass a ban on cryptocurrency trading, and then say Japan follows, and I know China's got massive restrictions, if all of Asia bans cryptocurrency, that is going to slow the cryptocurrency movement like you will not believe. If all of Asia cannot trade in cryptocurrency, we will probably see this market around a $350 to $400 billion marketplace. And then we're going to have to do a lot of build up and work. And then you're really going to see the cream of the crop coins actually rise to the top. It's no longer going to be a huge money grab. In previous market cap here, if you look at all time, guys, we see a lot of dips between January and basically all the way into summer. You see big rises after Christmas usually because people are back from the holidays. But here we go, market cap of $18 billion last January, and it kind of sat stagnant for a long time, guys. This is January to basically May. It only went up $20 billion. We've been seeing $100 billion to $200 billion market cap changes in 24 hours. So literally it took 6 months, almost 5 full months, to go up even 20 billion. So this is what a lot of people are worried, where we're going to see this market maybe correct itself down to $500 billion, and we're going to ride that for 4 months. So if you're holding in a position and you believe a coin's going to go up and a coin's going to be worth something, you may be holding that position for anywhere from the next 4 to 6 months. So just keep in mind, don't get weak hands. If you jumped into a coin hoping to turn a quick profit in like 5 minutes, well, you might be sitting on those coins. Now, the kind of coins that are going to probably be trading a lot will be the penny stocks, but any big coin like Neblio, like coins that actually have a lot of potential to see a lot of money and a lot of price action, those might be sitting flat for quite some time. As you can see today, it got as high as about $56 and as low as $27. Now, it is bouncing back and trying to make a comeback. It's sitting at $35 currently. So a lot of these coins are going to probably be sitting around a comfortable price point. So if they had peaks of 60 like Neblio, it's probably going to find its comfortable price point around the $30, $35 mark and sit there for what could be months. Now, a good example of this is Neo. Guys, Neo was one of the coins that actually did this. So if you look at Neo's history, it boomed to $50-something in August of 2017 and then sat kind of stagnant with very little price action all the way up until mid-December. So that's 4 months. We could definitely see something like that happen. Now, the only silver lining to this bloodbath is we can take stake in positions in coins we believe in, coins that we believe will rise when people are back in the market and money is being infused. The only thing that's making me feel a little bit more comfortable is seeing this price rise slowly throughout this video. Now, who knows? This might not be as big of a crash and it might be a ton of FUD that's just driving these price points. maybe it's big whales moving their money out of the market to freak people out, so the market cap goes down, all these prices plummet, then they'll infuse all their cash again tomorrow, and everyone will be like, oh, it's back, it's booming, and they'll get back in, infuse their cash back in, and the whales will make more and more money. Because right now, guys, you got to remember, a few big whales can really manipulate this market. Some people have billions of dollars in the marketplace, and just moving 10 billion could cause like a small collapse in a lot of these coins. So we just have to really keep to our guns. If you're holding a position in a coin that you believe in and you think is going places, you like the utility, you like the tech, continue to hold that position. You're most likely going to make money, but it might not be short-term cash. As you can see, more going into the green. Today we started out with mostly in the red and then half in the green, and now we're back to mostly in the red. So just hold your positions, stay strong out there, guys. But until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.